Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some amazing potatoes, and for that we need to have 3 potatoes and several ingredients such as salt, peppers, different types of peppers, oregano. And let's start with cutting down the potatoes. This seems to be very easy and cliche, but it's very tasty, so just go on and don't waste time, just try it. Add to it a little bit of olive oil and let's mix so that all of the parts of the potatoes are totally soaked into the olive oil. And whenever done, you will be ready to add red pepper, some salt, gemelli suneli, oregano, black pepper, and then oregano. Mix all of this together. And whenever done, you can add this to the potatoes. Mix again very properly so that all of the parts of the potatoes, they have the ingredients on them. And whenever done, you will be ready to put them into the pan and put it into the oven. Make them one by one and let's have them cooked. Here it is, and whenever they are cooked, you can take them out and serve them with some mayonnaise and some ketchup, which is amazing. Just have a try. We hope you will like this recipe and will share it with your friends. Good appetite!